What's up everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your HTML website live on the internet. So as you can see, I created a website using AI. So this is a portfolio website. I given a detailed prompt like this and it created all the sections like hero section, about section, services, portfolio and all these pages for me. So you can see all the website here. We have the home page. This is how it looks, and we have the about us page. Then we have services pages, so you can see all the services. Then we have portfolio pages. You can see the portfolio as well. So everything is working perfectly fine. Let's click on YouTube, and this is how it looks. The page is looking good and it is fully responsive. So let's click on mobile, and this is how it looks on mobile devices. So it is working perfectly fine. Now I need to upload this website to the internet so that anyone can access it. So for this you need a domain and hosting. So domain basically the website name, and hosting is the storage where you store your website, and anyone enter that domain name, your website will load. So for this you can use a platform like Hostinger. So Hostinger provides you the hosting and domain services. So you can choose any of the hosting plan. So if you are hosting 2 or 3 websites, then you can choose the premium plan. And if you want to host more than 3-4 websites, then you can consider the business plan. So for now, let me choose the premium plan. And as you can see this order summary. You can choose 12 months. And here you will get 20% discount if you purchase the hosting using my link. So I will given the link in the description. Just click on it and you will land on the Hostinger website, and after that you will get 20% discount on your hosting plan as well. And with premium plan you will also get a free domain, so you can claim your free domain using the Hostinger platform. So let me log into my Hostinger account and let's check how you can upload your website. So for this, let me log into Hostinger, and here all you have to do is click on websites. Now you need to click on add website, and here you will see different options. You can create a website using WordPress, you can use Hostinger website builder, or you can upload your own HTML or PHP site. So here let me click on custom PHP or HTML site. Here you can claim your free domain name, so you can search for any domain name, and here you can choose any of the domain name here. So for now let me choose a temporary domain, so you can select your own domain from here. So let me click on that. Now it will set up your website using HTML. Alright, now the website is set up. We need to access the website from here, and as you can see the website is not ready yet, so we need to upload our website files to Hostinger. So I downloaded all the website files here. So you can see we have the CSS file, and then we have all the pages like about us, contact us, hero section, portfolio section, and then we have the index.html. So if you click on here, it will load the website for you. So website is working fine, but this is the local URL, so we need to change it with your domain URL. So for this, what I can do is I will go to file manager, and here you need to upload your website files in the public_HTML. So let me open that. Now you can delete the default.php. You don't need that. Now let's go to file manager, and we can select all these files and make a zip file here so that we can upload it at once. So let me click on add to public.zip. Alright, our zip file is added. Now we need to upload that file. Now let's click on upload, click on file, and let me select the desktop, and let me select the zip file. Now the file is uploaded. We need to right click on it and click on extract, and we can choose a folder name. So let's keep it a random name and extract it. Now we don't need the zip file. Let me delete it. Now let me open the folder and let me select all these files. I will type Ctrl+X, or you can click on move file and go to the main folder, and you have the public_HTML folder. Let's click on move. Now you don't need this folder anymore. Let's delete it. All right, all the files are now in your public_html. Now you can access the website here. And as you can see, the website is loading fine using our temporary domain. So you can connect a custom domain as well. So here, let's click on domain and you can enter your domain and connect it to the website. So this is how you can make your website live on the internet, and anyone can access it using the domain name that you have added to your website. So if you still have doubt, then let me know in the comment section. And if you want to create website like this using AI, then let me know. I will create a full dedicated tutorial on how to create responsive website like this using AI. Then do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this type of content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.